So, why did you choose engineering? Probably because you dreamt of a good job, better salary, better future, leading you to a better lifestyle and so satisfaction. Imagine how nice it would feel to have achieved it. But this is not that easy. You ought to have a reality check. Let's have a look at what the real situation is. Only 40% of students graduating every year get jobs. So basically, you are here. Ever wondered why? Because the knowledge that you acquire at college is not directly applicable to the industry. So every person like you gets stuck in this situation. You don't understand what to do. Then you end up wasting a lot of precious time, days, weeks, or even months pass without a job. And frustrated, you give up and accept any offered job, which has neither future nor security potential. How can you avoid this? To start with, you need to stand out amongst many to get a job by choosing the right field and acquire the relevant knowledge before looking for a job. A right field is the one which offers ample job opportunities with a lot of growth potential. Based on our 25 years of industrial experience, we have realized that automation engineering is such a field. Automation engineering is all about selecting, integrating, configuring, and troubleshooting various ready-made products from different engineering branches, which makes the machine run automatically. Same products are used irrespective of the industry verticals such as pharma, metal, cement, glass, chemical. Commercial areas such as building management, ports, aerospace, transportation are flooded with automation engineering solutions. A machine has parts similar to the human body, like limbs, sensory organs, brains, and muscles, which work together. So, we could say that the hands of machine are actuators such as electrical motors and pneumatic hydraulic cylinders. Its brain are controllers like temperature controllers and PLCs. The sensory organs are sensors such as proximity sensors, encoders, and pressure sensors, and its limbs, which are nothing but switch gears. So these all are ready-made parts of machine from different branches of engineering such as mechanical, electrical, electronic, instrumentation engineering. You will be called an automation engineer when you can single-handedly design or troubleshoot a machine. Unlike other engineering courses, this course does not take 4 to 5 years. It takes just 2 months or 320 hours to become an automation engineer. Automation engineers are in great demand as every manufacturing industry needs at least one such engineer. Just imagine the number of manufacturing industries in your area and calculate the number of job opportunities. Welcome to TACT. We are India's leading automation training institute with a team of experienced industry professionals backed by India's one of the reputed automation solution providers, Technocrats Control System Private Limited. Technocrats is a 20-year-old company associated with giants in automation, Siemens and Schneider. TACT was founded in 2003 with the sole objective of developing automation engineers as per industry needs. TACT has developed its own method of effectively training ordinary engineers to be automation engineers by developing special training systems. it is ensured that 70% course involves hands-on training on the technology. Students wire the circuits on their own, which gives them immense confidence for their lifetime. They learn to troubleshoot the systems while testing and proving the circuits. TACT has developed interesting animated presentations so as to easily understand complicated concepts. Specially developed books for each subject are unique in nature and referred by industries. At TACT, students get more than 100 hours to practice on higher-end PLCs and SCADA systems which are being used in industry as on today. This practice is supported by the experienced faculties prepare foundation of an able automation engineer. No wonder, not only students but also industries prefer TACT for training of their engineers. TACT enjoys continuous patronage from reputed industry houses like Mahindra's, Jindal's, Bhilia Steel Plant, Volkswagen, Indian Railways, Delhi Metro, to name a few. Every year, many foreign nationals travel thousands of kilometers to get trained by TACT. Understanding the students' need to be placed, TACT has set up an able placement team. As per the history, TACT places more than 90% of the qualified passed out students. Thanks to the efforts of the placement team, their relation with industry, and of course, the course contents which are designed in line with the industry requirements. Our students are working with industries like ABB, Siemens, KSB, L&T, Mahindra & Mahindra, to name a few. TACT looks forward to contribute to your life by transforming you into an automation engineer. Do you have any query? Please visit www.tact.co.in to know more about us.